Hi there, I'm Lou, OptionFlow founder. Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to share with you an investment I made yesterday. Very interesting, and a very interesting case study. So disclaimer, like every time, I'm not here to suggest you how to invest. I'm not giving you any kind of advice about investing. I share my experience, just my vlog, my experience, what I do with my money, what is my mindset, my way of thinking, my ideas, so my experience. So I do not recommend you what to do with your money. Do your own research, make your own study. Feel free to study and ask some professional, okay, if you don't do anything about investment. So this is only my experience. This is disclaimer as usual. I am Lou. I am a high-ticket mentor, a high-ticket coach. I work with investors one-on-one with my mentor programs. I have two mentor programs. And I believe in a methodical, stress-free approach to wealth creation. Okay, I am a businessman, I am an investor, I am a mentor, and I don't want investing my money with stress. Okay, so my goal is to invest as stress-free as possible. Okay, so I teach to few selected investors how to earn month after month, year after year from their investments with my method, my strategy. Okay, I teach the basics to do in any market scenario, and I want investors to be really autonomous to invest their money. Okay, so underlying PayPal. PayPal, as you can see, earnings some days ago. Okay, the market reacted not very well. Okay, and until yesterday, there weren't the condition to invest. Okay, with my method, but because I have some strategy, a checklist. So if every point of the checklist gives you a green light, okay, you can invest. Until yesterday, I couldn't, and my investors couldn't. But yesterday, yes. I don't tell you, of course, why, because I tell, I teach that to my investors in my mentor programs. But it's very interesting because I am really far from the actual price with my strategy, and a low margin and a very interesting ROI. So I open up a vertical spread, a bear call spread, selling at $75. So here, 75, tag, okay. Actual price, as you can see, is 58.26. Yesterday was 57.58. So I sold a 75 call, expiration date April. So yesterday I was 66 days DT, so days to expiration, and I bought 85. Okay, so just $25 per option. Okay, I sold and I bought. I sold 10 contracts. Okay, so $250. Okay, it's not very much. Okay, 250 for some of you could be a lot of money. For someone could be just 2 cents. Okay, so it doesn't matter. What is interesting is I am far about 30% from the actual price. I mean, PayPal, okay, should do a plus 30%, okay, to reach my strike. And the margin, very interesting, is really low because per contract, I don't remember exactly, but I think $180. So for 10 contracts, I have more or less 1,800 or 1,900. I don't remember exactly. To earn $250 in 66 days. It means a return on investments of 16%. So it's very, very, very interesting. Okay. So why 10 contracts, not 8 or 12? Or, it depends, of course. Depends on the capital invested. I teach my investors money management. Okay, so to balance the risk for every investment. Okay, it's not trading, it's investment. It's an investment way, not a trading. Okay, because for example, yesterday I 66 days. Okay, I invested, I opened a position, vertical spread. Okay, set up the stop loss. Okay, I can forget this investment until the expiration date, until April. Okay, so I teach my investors how to calculate how many contracts, okay, per strategy. So it's very easy, money management, and so 10 contracts. I tell you 10 just for example, okay, and to be to describe easier, okay, the investment. So I really sold 10 contracts. So I earned $250. ROI, return on investment, 16%. Okay, margin required 1,800, 1,900 more or less. In 66 days. Okay, so this is very relaxed, relaxed investments, and because this works for me. Okay, I do not want stress. I do not work close to the price because yes, some of my investors ask me sometime, okay, Lou, but how can we invest in weekly? I love your method, I love your strategy, but how to use weekly, daily options? Okay, I teach not the classical vertical spread everyone teaches. Okay, my strategy is a vertical spread. It's like a better version. So with some improvements. Okay, I have my strategy. I call the OptionFlow method. Okay, it's not the classical vertical spread. It's an improved version of vertical spread. So it's vertical spread 3.0. Okay, like another level. Okay, I'm specialized to invest with one strategy, and I suggest investor who comes in consultation to become expert in one strategy, studying one strategy, investing in paper with this strategy. Okay, be autonomous, feel safe, feel confident with a broker and the method, then investing with real money. Okay, feel this confidence and earn money month after month. Okay, so victory, you see every month, the third Friday of the month, especially most of the time, that you earn, okay, the money from investment. So it's very it's a little victory after little victory. Okay, you increase your self-confidence, your self-esteem. You see yourself, okay, like a good investor who earns money in the market. So you start mastering one strategy. Okay, then if you want to add another strategy or other strategy, repeat this process, okay, with the second strategy. Okay, but do not leave the first strategy. you learn. Okay, this worked for me. Okay, because when I made courses, option courses, investing, lots of courses, I spent a lot of money. Okay, they were very interesting, but for my situation, I didn't like them at all, because when I came home, okay, I had books, I wrote lots of papers, okay, but then what? What to do in practical, day after day, okay? What's the step by step? How search the underlines? How not to lose weeks looking for the right underlines? How to replicate this method? How to do that faster, better, and without thinking, or think as less as possible. Okay, because in the beginning I was losing a lot of time looking for underlines to invest with 15 different strategies. But I knew the strategies on paper. Okay, I knew what to do in theory. Okay, but in fact, I didn't know what to do. How to looking for underlines, what strategy applying, but not once, but with the system, with the method, step by step. So that's why I started to focus on one strategy. I tried a lot of time on paper, on real. I lost money. I made courses, mentorship. Then I worked on this strategy, and after tons of hours, tons of days, tons of money lost, trying with courses, not the right course, try another one, try a mentor, not the right mentor, try another one, try an experiment in them on paper, in a real account. So I lost time, money, okay, but I realized my strategy. Okay, so I worked very hard on that, and I settled up the strategy. So with what worked with me, for me. Okay, so, and this is the strategies. Then I created this mentorship because some investors I talk to when we talk about what do you do, what I do. They were very curious, and they asked me to teach them my strategy. So that's why I started to create first mentorship and then another mentorship. I have two different mentorships. So just for few selected investors. Okay, so that's why I have limited spots every month. Because I'm a businessman. Yes, I'm an investor, but I don't have time. Okay, I have just few hours a month. I like to connect with investors, to teach them. So I'm very happy when they are very satisfied, when they find a really step-by-step strategy they were looking for months, for years. Okay, and they have result. And when they have result, I'm happy. I'm satisfied with myself, and so that's why I started to create these mentorship programs for investors. Okay, so yesterday, very interesting investment. So I didn't expect this kind of margin. Okay, so low margin, this kind of return of investment. Usually, my return on investment, it depends on the underlying, of course. With commodities, I have greater returns. Okay, but for example, with ETFs or single stocks, my average return on investment is 5, 6, 7, 8%, more or less. So it's very risk averse. Okay, and but yesterday I was surprised. Okay, because 16%, yeah, sometimes happen, but it's not so not so often on ETFs and single stocks. So why 75? As you can see, this is, for example, it's 1 year, 9 months. Okay, as you can see, the last 6, 7 months. Okay, the title was moving to $50 to 70, 78, $79. Okay, so 75. I am above this gap. Okay, three earnings ago. Okay, above this gap. I have different prices. Okay, different resistance level. So it's quite safe. I like probability and time on my side. Okay, so my probability pop, it's more than 90%. Okay, at the expiration date. So I start my investment with a probability of profit of more than 90%. So this is, I like probability on my side. Okay, it's not sure, of course, because in the market we never know what happens, but it's easier for me to predict what the market won't do rather than what the market is going to do. Okay, so with my vertical spread, selling 75. Okay, at 75, I'm not interested in what's the title is going to do, unless it's going to skyrocket the price. Will go very fast and with a strong, with a great strength. Okay, up. Okay, this is could be okay, not well for me. I have my stop loss. Okay, so this is the only scenario I could lose. Okay, I could exit with a stop loss. But if PayPal, okay, goes up, but with a limited movement, okay, 68, 70, 72, okay, not a problem, or very slowly, okay, could go up, even really close to 75, but really slowly. Okay, because, for example, 1 day before expiration date or 2 days before, if the price is at 74, for example, I could be earning. Okay, my results will be green. So if the price goes sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down, okay, it's good for me. And of course, if the price is following the trend down, okay, it's good for me too. So that's why I don't like to predict what the market will do, okay, because it's impossible. For me it's easier have the probability on my side on what the market won't do. Okay, and of course time, because time, day after day, times passes. Okay, so with this strategy I can earn from day to day, weekend included. Okay, so probability and time on my side, they are two key factors I like in my investments, and with my strategy I can have them on my side. So this is the investment. So PayPal, vertical spread, expiration date April, so 66 yesterday, so today 65 days DTE, so days to expiration, ROI 16%. Okay, with a pop, probability of profit more than 90%. See, very interesting. I wanted to share with you. Okay, so I share with you my experience, what I do. So just a thoughts. As you can see, I speak as what I think. So it's not I'm not reading a script. Okay, so that's why it's like talking in a normal life. Okay, I talking with myself. I talking with you. Just share my thoughts. Okay. So, for those of you who are looking for a mentor to learn a step-by-step method, a step-by-step strategy, what to do with your investment or a part of it. Okay, earning with probability, with time on your side, month after month, year after year. I tell my investor this is way of thinking is boring. Okay, yeah, it's not exciting. If you want excitement, please do something else, but not gambling with your money. Okay, this is boring, so more predictable, stable. Okay, so if you want to set up a stream of income, a stable stream of income, increasing or investing with, of course, or withdrawing month after month, okay, to live with the money. Okay, this is up to you. We're going to make a plan together, a business plan. Okay, I'm going to teach you the strategy to do in any market scenario. So with few hours a month, okay, you don't need to spend hours a day in front of your laptop. No, nothing like that. Because if you work, if you have your business, if you have family, if you want to spend time doing what you really love, what you like, so this is very good for you. Just when you learn, of course, what to do, just a couple of hours a week, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, a couple of hours, not more. Okay, so just few hours a month. And if you're ready to take control of your life, and if you want to create a stream of income or improving a stream of income from your investment with a stable income month after month, so secure your spot for a personalized consultation via Calendly under this video. And I remember that I have limited spots, okay, for my mentorship program. So if you want to do that, act fast to reserve your place. Okay, so and to become an elite investor. Okay, well, see you on the next video and enjoy with your investment. So make a plan and follow a plan. This is very important. Okay, enjoy your investment. So let's go to earn money from the market. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.